Good evening, everyone, and welcome back. Today we're looking at XLMUSDC on the 4-hour chart. And while the momentum consensus table remains firmly bearish, the target system is beginning to tell a very different story. The current signal remains a bear signal with an A grade. The weighted consensus shows 75% bearish pressure versus 25% bullish pressure. Both the 1-hour and 4-hour timeframes remain oversold and bearish, while the daily time frame remains bearish from an overbought condition. On the surface, that sounds straightforward. However, one feature on this chart deserves attention. The last 4 downside price targets generated by the infinity signal have failed to be reached. Historically, repeated target failures often indicate that the current directional move is losing strength. In other words, sellers are still in control, but they are no longer reaching their projected objectives. That doesn't automatically signal a reversal, but it does suggest that downside efficiency is deteriorating. Adding another layer to the analysis, the projected StochRSI forecast still expects additional weakness over the next several candles. The projection suggests bearish momentum could continue into the June 2nd and June 3rd window before another potential momentum transition develops. So we currently have 2 competing narratives. The momentum consensus remains bearish, but the repeated failure of downside targets suggests the bear move may be running out of energy. This is exactly the type of disagreement that often appears near major turning points. For now, the bearish trend remains intact, but if another downside target fails to be reached, the probability of a larger reversal attempt could increase significantly. This will be one of the most important developments to monitor over the next several trading sessions. This is not trading advice. Always do your own research. The infinity signal, trading the future.